Hello everyone, welcome back to our manual testing interview questions and answer series. This is the part 9 video. In this video we are going to cover priority and severity examples. These questions are the very important while giving the manual testing interview. So below is the list of all the 12 combination of the priority and severity. So let's see the all in detail. Let's move for the first question. 18th question is give me the example of high severity versus critical priority. Explanation. These are business critical defects affecting core functionalities and require urgent fixes. So issues are first issue bank transactions fail but money is deducted. User lose money urgent fix needed. Second issue place order button crashes in an online shopping app. Nobody can buy anything. Third issue emergency call feature in a hospital app doesn't work. Leaves could be at risk. So fourth issue, online exam system logs student out automatically. Student lose progress. So these are the four issues, four examples of the high severity versus critical priority. Let's move for the another question. Question is give me the example of high severity versus high priority. Explanation. These defects are severe and high priority as they block critical user action. Major issue that should be fixed soon. Issue 1 login is not working for all users. Nobody can access their account. Second issue search result show wrong data. User can't find what they need. Third issue, payment process is very slow. User may leave without completing payment. Fourth issue, forms don't save user input. User have to re-enter everything. These are the four examples for the high severity versus high priority. Let's move for the another question. Next question is give me the example of high severity versus medium priority. Explanation. The impact is severe but it it is not urgent because alternative solution exists. Serious issue but has a temporary solution. Let's see the different example for the high severity versus medium priority. Issue 1 admin panel crashes when exporting large reports. Only affects some employee. Second issue file uploads fail for certain file types. User can use a different format. Issue 3 graphs in report are not loading. User can still view data in text form. Issue 4 a third party payment option is not showing. User can use other payment method. So these are the four examples. Let's move for the another question. Next question is give me the example of high severity versus low priority. Explanation. The impact is high but the issue does not need immediate attention. Serious issue but not urgent because it's rarely used. Let's see the different example for it. First issue crash happens when changing app themes. Not many people change themes. Second issue an old report from 10 years ago cannot be generated. Rarely needed feature. Third issue a shortcut key is not working. User can click the button instead. Fourth issue in an admin only dashboard only affects a few employees. So these are the four examples for high severity versus low priority. Let's move for the another question. Next question is give me the example of medium severity versus critical priority. Explanation. The issue is not critical but needs urgent fixing due to user impact. We can say not a severe issue but must be fixed as soon as possible due to business reasons. Let's see the different example for it. First issue company logo is missing on home page, looks unprofessional. Second issue, a discount code is not working. Sale could be affected. Third issue, a legal disclaimer is missing from a financial website, could cause legal issue. Fourth issue, system notifications are not working for urgent alerts, important message not sent. So these are the examples for medium severity versus critical priority. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, give me the example of medium severity versus high priority. Explanation. The system is working but key functionalities are affected. Important issue but has a workaround. So let's see the different example for it. First issue, order confirmation emails are not sent. User may get confused but can check order history. Second issue, live chat support is not working. Users can still email for help. Third issue, search bar is not showing full result. Users can scroll manually. Fourth issue, reports takes too long to generate. Still worse, just slow. So these are the examples for medium severity versus high priority. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, give me the example of medium severity versus medium priority. Explanation. The defects affect the user experience but does not completely block functionalities. Moderate issue should be fixed but not urgent. Let's see the different example for the medium severity versus medium priority. First issue, page layout looks messy on some browsers, still readable. Second issue, image slider on home page is not working. Users can still navigate manually. Third issue, sorting feature in reports is not working. User can search instead. Fourth issue, some text is misaligned in forms, looks bad but still works. These are the examples. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, give me the example of medium severity versus low priority. Explanation. These issues are noticeable but don't affect key functionalities. We can say minor problem can be fixed later. Let's see the different example for the medium severity versus low priority. First issue, profile picture are not loading. Doesn't affect core function. Second issue, cursor doesn't autofocus on input field. Small inconvenience. Third issue, tooltips help messages are missing. User can still figure it out. Fourth issue, minor spelling mistake in a menu. Doesn't stop user from using the app. So these are the four examples. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, give me the example of low severity versus critical priority. Explanation. The impact is low but fixing it is urgent due to business importance. We can say that not a big issue but must be fixed immediately for a business reason. Let's see the different examples. First issue, company name is misaligned on the home page, looks very bad. Issue 2, stock price shows wrong value. User might make bad financial decision. Third issue, urgent announcement is missing. User miss important updates. Fourth issue, privacy policy link is broken. Legal issue. So these are the four examples for low severity versus critical priority. So let's move for the another question. Next question is, give me the example of low severity versus high priority. Explanation. The impact is low but a quick action is needed for usability reason. We can say that it's a small issue but should be fixed soon. Let's see the different example. First issue, contact us button is missing. User can still email but it's inconvenient. Second issue, buy now button is slightly misaligned, doesn't stop user from buying. Third issue, font size of terms and condition is too small. Hard to read but still there. Fourth issue, a minor color issue in UI doesn't affect functionality. So these are the four examples for the low severity versus high priority. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, give me the example of low severity versus medium priority. Explanation, these are minor issues but should be fixed in a reasonable time frame. Can be fixed when there is time. Let's see the different example. First issue, page load slightly slower than usual, still works fine. Second issue, copyright date on website is outdated, doesn't affect functionality. Third issue, placeholder text in a search bar is missing, still usable. Fourth issue, mouse or effects not working on buttons. Button still works. So these are the fourth example of low severity versus medium priority. Let's move for the another question. Next question is, give me the example of low severity versus low priority. Explanation, the defect is barely noticeable and does not impact usability. Very small issue, no rush to fix. Issue 1, a tooltip has a typo. User can still understand it. Second issue, a button is slightly off center. Looks a little messy but works fine. Third issue, a animation effect is slow. Doesn't affect usability. Issue 4, a small extra space in a paragraph. Doesn't change anything important. So these are the examples for low severity versus low priority. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.